In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your sent invitations on LinkedIn. Navigating LinkedIn can be an essential skill, especially if you're looking to expand your professional network and keep track of your outreach efforts. Let's dive into the steps, making sure you can do this efficiently and effectively. To start, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once there, simply log in by entering your credentials. You can sign in using your email address and password, or if you're aiming for convenience, you might opt to use your Google or Microsoft account to streamline the login process. For those of you who have enabled two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your identity further with a code. This code will be sent to your registered phone number. Just input the code, and you'll be securely logged into your account. It's a straightforward but crucial step to keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn homepage. Now, turn your attention to the top of the page, where you'll notice the My Network icon. This icon serves as a valuable tool for managing your connections and expanding your professional network. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. After clicking into the My Network section, you'll observe an Invitations option. This is the hub where all your connection requests are organized, including those you've received and, importantly, those you've sent. By clicking here, you'll access a comprehensive view of your networking efforts and requests. To specifically view the invitations you've sent, look out for the Sent tab. By selecting this tab, you'll be presented with a list of all the invitations you've sent out that have yet to be accepted. This list is an excellent resource for tracking your outreach and understanding which connections are still pending. If you notice some invitations have been lingering without any response, there's no need to worry. LinkedIn offers the flexibility and control to manage these pending requests. You can simply find the invitation you'd like to retract and click the Withdraw button next to it. Withdrawing invitations can be a savvy decision if you recognize that a particular connection no longer aligns with your current networking goals. By doing so, you can keep your network organized and purposeful. And there you have it, a straightforward process to see and manage your sent invitations on LinkedIn. Regularly reviewing your sent invitations allows you to maintain a clean and effective network, ensuring your LinkedIn profile remains a powerful tool for professional engagement and growth. Keep these steps in mind to efficiently manage your LinkedIn connections and continue growing your network with intention and clarity.